I think this right here is a great choice for those who want a budget IEM but don't want to buy something from KZ. It's the new Kiwi Ears Belle. You remember Kiwi Ears? They're the same ones who made one of my all-time favorite IEMs, the KE4. Yeah, the OG thick boy. This one's one of their more affordable options, but it's not built like one. These are super lightweight but still have a good quality metal backplate. Even the cable quality is really nice for this price. I was not expecting that. And because of this lightweight case, it's super comfortable to wear. The Belle has a bit of a steep V-shaped sound to it compared to something like the KZ Caster Pro. These are slightly more bassy but still have decent clarity overall in the top end. There's no harsh sibilance in the top end, so these are pretty fun for most people. And there's a bit of presence in the top end because of that spike, especially for drum cymbals. I heard that shimmer more than I expected for this price. That was a pleasant surprise. That's another example of how good a dynamic driver can sound if you tune it well. Now, I wouldn't say these are balanced the way they mention in their website for some reason. I mean, these are energetic, warm and bright. I guess they meant balanced as in the low end and top end are well complemented, like one of them doesn't outweigh the other. In that context, yeah, I agree. But if you wanted a milder sound overall, I would recommend something like the CCA Phoenix, which I recently featured. That has similar qualities like a well-built body, comfortable design, and it sounds a lot nicer, especially for those who want lesser bass overall. But if you want that energetic sound, then yeah, Kiwi Ears Belle is a great beginner level option. It's great for those who want a lightweight earphone with high build quality, a good cable, and that bright and bassy sound. This is definitely above what I expected, so yeah, well done Kiwi Ears. And if you want, you can also use these with a Bluetooth adapter like this one. Remember this, the Kiwi Ears adapter I featured? I tried these with the Kiwi Ears Belle and it works well. I think this is a good matchup, so I'll link both of these in the description. And if you want to buy straight from me for a discount, email me.